Hello friends, we're going to look at how you put a keyboard tray or drawer under your desk when your desk doesn't have one. So you can see I took out the board from my desk and I drilled these holes. To get these holes you need to use the actual tray's frame as a template so you know where to mark and drill the holes. Now a lot of people like to use these electric drills. I recommend using your standard screwdriver. Now you will need those inserts. That's the brass ones. It actually took me a while to find some of those. They don't sell them readily. But you need to drill the holes after marking it and then put these inserts. You want the same size bit for the insert. Not too big, just right, because that insert has to fit snug. And you will notice that I am having a difficulty trying to hold the camera and use that in with a screwdriver. So I had to put the camera on a tripod and hold that screw thread and push it in gently. You don't want to be rough on it, and you don't want to do it too much where it goes through the other side of your desk, because your desk has to be flush, right? After you're able to do that, then you can put the screws down into your board. Please don't drill screws directly to your desk board. That's going to be a real fail and it's going to cause trouble in the end. So you can see where the desk tray frame is now mounted, and now I put down the actual board, and that's how you do it. Very simple. Do you have something like this for your desk? I love them. Tell me what you think in the comments area.